Brandon, yeah, I made it up to the crash site. The Highway Patrol, or the state police in Virginia, was nice enough to escort us down to get some video and pictures. This wreck happened 6 miles north of the state line. The Highway Patrol tells me there were 75 cars involved. 25 people were transported to local hospitals, and unfortunately in this incident, 3 people have died in this wreck. I looked at all of these cars. On the scene, you may have seen from the picture I took that there were several tractor trailers bunched up together in this crash at sort of the front of the crash, and it all caught on fire as people piled in. They talked with the people there, talk about the fog being so thick they couldn't hardly see in front of them. I did talk to a bunch of people up there, and some of the stories include this one lady that was headed back to Charlotte from visiting family in Virginia, and she said she saw these trucks, and she was thinking in her mind, these guys are going way too fast, and before she could hardly think that, these 2 trucks started, jackknifing in front of her, and everybody starts piling in. And her and several other people actually took the runaway truck ramp that many people that drive that route may be familiar with. They turned right and went up the runaway truck ramp to safety, and everybody, all the traffic from behind starts piling in, and they heard cars crashing and banging and saw flames coming out of vehicles, and they got out of their cars on this runaway truck ramp and ran up as far as they could get up the hill to safety. I saw cars that were in between wrecked cars, though, and not even touched. That's, some of the miraculous stuff is some people were able to stop and not get a dent. Other cars were so severely damaged you would never think people would walk away from it, and there were cases of that. There were cases up here of animals being on trips with their people and having to be held by people who don't even know these people because, people were taken to the hospital and had to leave their pets behind. Even one story of a cat that took off up into the woods that, who knows whose cat that is. Just an incredible scene, visually hard to describe.